Ready to ditch your desktop and dominate the crypto market straight from your phone? This video is your express ticket to mastering crypto trading on the go using the Photon app. First, download Photon from your app store. Once installed, create your account using your email or phone number. Choose a strong password to protect your funds. Now, securely link your existing crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, to Photon. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Let's explore the user interface. At the top, you'll find the price chart. Below is the order book, showing current buy and sell orders. Use the asset selector to choose your desired cryptocurrency pair. Executing a trade is simple. Tap the buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, and confirm the transaction. The same process applies to selling. Elevate your trading with advanced order types. Use limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, or stop-loss orders to automatically exit a trade if the price drops to a certain level. Implement risk management strategies by setting stop-loss and take-profit orders. This helps protect your capital and secure profits. And that's it. You're now equipped to trade crypto confidently on your mobile device using Photon. Remember to always trade responsibly and do your own research.